My search for the best wellness retreats brought me here to Chiva-Som, and it has been everything that I thought it would be. This place is absolutely stunning, beautiful. It calms you down from the moment you enter. Absolutely beautiful green, lush foliage and amazing treatments to go with it. You don't feel intimidated and you don't feel like you're on a strict routine. You feel like there's a mix of holiday as well as getting your health and your system in balance, and that's what's my favorite part about Chiva-Som. I'd also tried the gemstone Reiki therapy, which was especially interesting, and I didn't think that I would feel a difference with just one session, but actually I did. With just one session, I slept better, I felt better, I felt a lot more energetic. So I can't wait to actually come back and have a longer retreat. I think that you should come here for nothing less than a week, and my experience has been quite magical.